This is a Komatsu 22m-06-23200 model excavator instrument cluster used in a PC35MR2 Komatsu tractor for monitoring key functions. After our repair, you can see the technician power up, then initialize the instrument cluster before switching on the high speed, then the instrument backlight. ERD can repair your Komatsu instrument cluster, preventing a costly replacement and extended downtime. Thanks for watching ERD TV. We repair a wide variety of industrial electronic equipment that is backed by our 3-year warranty. If you have any questions, contact us by phone or visit us at www.industrialrepairstore.com.